A warm greeting. Today is Wednesday, October 9, 2024. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. At the time of recording this video, it is 5 p.m. local time in Florida, where currently the circulation center of Hurricane Milton is just southwest of Tampa Bay, where it will be making landfall in the next few hours, near midnight tonight. However, fortunately, the hurricane has been losing strength as forecasted. It currently has maximum sustained winds of 120 miles per hour, meaning it is a Category 3 hurricane, posing a serious threat to parts of central Florida and other areas where several tornadoes have been reported this afternoon. When we look at the infrared satellite animation, we can see that the structure of Hurricane Milton looks very different from what we saw during the morning hours. This is because it has started a transition process into a subtropical system, which has contributed to its weakening. However, it remains a dangerous major hurricane that will bring winds between 80 and 100 miles per hour through cities like Tampa, St. Petersburg, Sarasota, Lakeland, Kissimmee, Orlando, and Melbourne. It is important that residents of the Florida Peninsula remain in a safe place for the next 24 hours. In the next animation, we can see today's Doppler radar image, where you can spot all the tornado warnings that have been issued in the last 12 hours. We're talking about dozens of tornadoes that have been reported in parts of the east and southeast of the state. You can also clearly see the movement of Hurricane Milton's circulation center heading northeast, eventually reaching between Sarasota and Tampa Bay. Additionally, note the rainfall continuing in parts of central Florida, where some areas have already reported between 5 to 6 inches of rain. The rain will continue for the next 12 hours, and in green, you can see areas where a flood warning has been issued. Furthermore, in the 5 p.m. bulletin, it was reported that the circulation center has moved slightly further north than forecasted, resulting in an adjustment of the trajectory more to the north. Now, it is expected to make landfall just north of the city of Sarasota and over areas south of Tampa Bay. Areas between Clearwater, Tampa, St. Petersburg, Sarasota, as well as Lakeland, South Orlando, Kissimmee, and Melbourne will experience hurricane-force winds tonight and into Thursday morning. The circulation center is projected to make landfall around midnight, so weather conditions will continue to deteriorate across these areas. Now, let's look at some of the anticipated effects. Here is the projection of maximum wind gusts, which you can see will range between 80 to 110 miles per hour from Lakeland to Tampa and from Fort Myers to Sarasota. The areas marked in pink are those that will experience the strongest winds, and areas between Orlando, Kissimmee, and Melbourne will see winds between 60 and 70 miles per hour tonight and into Thursday morning. An additional 8 to 10 inches of rain may fall in areas north of the circulation center, from Tampa to Orlando, and the counties just north of this region. Most importantly, depending on where the circulation center makes landfall, a storm surge is expected to be between 6 to 12 feet in height. The highest probability is that the strongest storm surge will be felt between Charlotte and the city of Sarasota, so be very cautious of rising sea levels and coastal flooding, which will start this afternoon and become more severe early tonight. Well, that's all for this short video to update you on Hurricane Milton. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get notifications when I upload new videos. I'll see you tonight. Until then, goodbye.